Hello everyone, and welcome to another X-Plane 11 tutorial. I have already showed you how to use the air traffic control feature, however I've done so using the beta of X-Plane 11. So now that X-Plane 11 is in final, I would like to show you again and take it very slow so that you can go step by step and follow along. So I'm in Los Angeles at the airport KHHR, and I'd like to do a really short flight to KLAX and land at runway 25. So let's press enter and we'll file a flight plan. So my departure is already set up. The arrival will be KLAX and we'll fly at 5,000 feet, or we'll ask at least to fly at 5,000 feet. The route is optional, so if I have a specific route that I would like to fly, I can enter it. However, I don't need to. I actually would like to enter a specific route though, because I want to land at runway 25. So if you look at me on the map, I'm right here. We're going to fly down a bit, back parallel to where we came from, and then we're going to go up to DOW and E waypoint, and then fly right to LIMMA, and then we can start our ILS descent. So I will enter those two waypoints in. And I'll hit file. I'll now request an altimeter.
November 172 Sierra Papa Kilo Hotel Romeo. Altimeter 2992.
And read back the transmission.
Kilo Hotel Romeo. Altimeter 2992. November 172 Sierra Papa.
You'll notice that the text in yellow means they're talking to me. There's other aircraft in this airspace, so there'll be multiple colors on the screen. So if you see something go by that says turn a heading of 180 and it's in green, they're not actually talking to me, they're talking to another aircraft. So let's go ahead and request clearance for our flight.
November 172 Sierra Papa. Cleared IFR to Kilo Lima Alpha X-ray as filed. Maintain 3000. Squawk 4704.
Let's read it back.
Cleared IFR to Kilo Lima Alpha X-ray as filed. Maintain 3000. Squawk 4704. November 172 Sierra Papa.
There's 2 points that are important: 3000 and squawk 4704. So let's enter 4704 and select on. That's our squawk, which is an identifier for the radar, so the air traffic controller can see me on the map. The next thing, it was an altitude of 3,000 feet, so I need to make sure that when I get to 3,000, I stay at 3,000 until air traffic control tells me otherwise. So let's go ahead and ask for permission to taxi to our takeoff runway.
November 172 Sierra Papa. Runway 25. Taxi via Sierra. Hold short of runway 25.
Runway 25. Taxi via Sierra. Hold short of 25. November 172 Sierra Papa.
Alright, I'm taking off the brakes. We'll use the rudder to start turning around.
November 172 Sierra Papa. Contact tower on 121.1.
Now we'll contact the tower and ask for permission to take off.
Contact tower on 121.1. November 172 Sierra Papa. Tower November 172 Sierra Papa.
November 172 Sierra Papa. Fly heading 180. Runway 25. Clear for takeoff.
Heading 180, runway 25, cleared for takeoff, November 172 Sierra, Papa.
Okay, so the next important thing, we're being told to fly a heading of 180. So we go to our heading bug here and set it to 180. There we go, south is 180. Next thing we're going to do, zoom in on the autopilot here. I'm going to turn on the heading bug so it'll fly the heading that I select, and a vertical speed of 800 feet per minute. Now when I get up in the air and I clear the runway, I'll enable the autopilot through a keyboard command, and then we'll be on our way. So let's go ahead and take off. Knots, we'll pull up. All right. And now that we cleared the runway, we'll activate the autopilot and turn to heading 180.
November 172 Sierra Papa. Contact center on 133.2.
And we'll go ahead and contact the new tower.
Contact center on 133.2. November 172 Sierra Papa. Center November 172 Sierra Papa.
November 172 Sierra Papa Kilo Hotel Romeo. Altimeter 2992.
Kilo Hotel Romeo. Altimeter 2992. November 172 Sierra Papa.
November 172 Sierra Papa. Fly heading 160. Vectors for the visual. Runway 25 left. Climb and maintain 2000.
Okay, now we have to turn to a heading of 160. So let's go to our heading bug. We'll read
Heading
back the transmission.
160. Vectors for the visual. Runway 25 left. Up to 2000. November 172 Sierra Papa.
And also note the altitude change down to 2000 in a second here. Alright, as we approach 2000, we'll select the altitude button here on the autopilot. There we go. And we'll start slowing down a little bit.
November 172 Sierra Papa. Fly heading 070.
Alright, now we're going to
Heading
fly 070.
070, November 172 Sierra Papa.
November 03 X-ray Papa. Fly heading 030.
So
Heading
see how that is in
030,
green? That means
November
it's for another
03
aircraft.
X-ray Papa.
November 03 X-ray Papa. Fly heading 020. Descend and maintain 3000.
Heading 020, down to 3000, November 03 X-ray Papa. Center, November 02 X-ray Papa.
November 02 X-ray Papa. Fly heading 340.
Heading 340, November 02 X-ray Papa.
November 172 Sierra Papa. Fly heading 340.
Alright, now we've been asked to turn to 340.
November 02 X-ray Papa. Resume on navigation.
On navigation, November 02 X-ray Papa. Heading 340, November 172 Sierra Papa.
November 03 X-ray. Papa. Fly heading 070. Descend and maintain 3000.
Heading 070, down to 3000, November 03 X-ray, Papa.
So we can see KLAX
November
here, so we're starting to
02
line
X-ray.
up
Papa.
with our
Descend
runway.
and maintain flight level
And we'll probably be asked to
190.
turn very soon.
Down to flight level 190, November 02 X-ray, Papa.
November 03 X-ray. Papa. Fly heading 340.
Heading 340, November 03 X-ray, Papa.
November 172 Sierra. Papa. Fly heading 280.
Heading 280, November 172 Sierra, Papa.
Alright, now we're turning to 280. I see the runway in sight now.
November 03 X-ray. Papa. Fly heading 280.
There's the
Heading
runway there.
280, November 03 X-ray, Papa.
Once we get on to our final approach, I'm going to go ahead and activate the nav and approach buttons. If you look at this, it's set to nav mode, not GPS. And I've already gone ahead and selected this particular runway and said tune to nav 1, so my ILS is all set up. There I am now. So once I approach Lima, I'm just going to automatically activate nav, approach, and I'll start an automatic landing using ILS.
November 03 X-ray, Papa. Fly heading 250. Report the field in sight.
Heading 250. We'll call the field. November 03 X-ray, Papa.
November 172 Sierra, Papa. Fly heading 250. Report the field in sight.
Alright,
Heading
250.
250. We'll call the field. November 172 Sierra, Papa.
Since I see the field, I'll say report field in sight.
Center, November 03 X-ray, Papa. Center, November 172 Sierra, Papa.
And then I went ahead and activated the nav and approach
November
features,
172
which will
Sierra,
automatically
Papa.
help me land on runway 25.
133.9er.
Contact tower on 133.9er, November 172 Sierra, Papa.
So now I'm adjusting my flaps and my speed to get to 90 knots.
November 03 X-ray, Papa. Runway 25 left. Clear to land.
Runway 25 left, cleared to land. November 03 X-ray, Papa.
Encountering a bit of turbulence here.
November 172 Sierra, Papa. Are you with me?
Tower, November 172 Sierra, Papa.
That was awful nice of the big jet in front of me. They give me that great jetway.
November 01 X-ray, Papa. Contact center on 133.2.
Contact center on 133.2, November 01 X-ray, Papa.
There we go, we stabled out
November
here.
172 Sierra, Papa. Runway 25 left. Clear to land.
Runway 25 left, cleared to land. November 172 Sierra, Papa.
November 03 X-ray, Papa. Fly heading 250. Climb and maintain 3,000.
Heading 250 up to 3,000, November 03 X-ray, Papa.
So it looks like things have stabilized now that the jet has landed. See, the flaps are down. We're slow enough for a safe landing. Get to about 200 feet, I'll disengage the autopilot. Alright, disengage the autopilot.
November 172 Sierra, Papa. Gate, taxi via 25 left. Call Alpha.
Alright everyone, there you have it. That is using the air traffic control to fly between two different airports. As you can see, the AI is sometimes a little buggy, where the air traffic controller allows a big jet to just blow by me at the very tail end, causing a bit of turbulence. Also, you'll notice that sometimes the arrows are not quite lined up with the intersections that you need to turn. But overall, it's a pretty good feature. So if you don't want to go ahead and build yourself a flight plan, and you want to go ahead and follow the air traffic controller, it's a great feature to use. So I hope everyone learned something from this particular video. And if you have questions, please put it in the comments below. And please subscribe to my channel. And I hope you got something from this video. Have a good day.